Hi there folks, here's the lure that I've introduced a few days ago, the plug with the internal shifting weights. Guess you remember my last video. Yesterday at work I've had another idea how to accomplish these shifting weights. Thought it would be a little easier this way, so I've changed the construction. This new lure blank is about the same size like the first one. The only difference is that I did not utilize any straw, so I've just drilled 6 millimeters hole right through the center. Oops. And I did that from either side to meet halfway. Started out with a 5 millimeter drill bit, drilled until half, then switched it over in my vise on my little routing machine, then drilled 5 millimeter from the other side, extended it to 5.5 millimeters and later to 6 millimeters, and it worked out quite alright. I used a round file to smoothen out the bore bit, so but as you can see, the balls now slide through. Oops. As a hook hanger this time, I've built myself this wireform of 1 millimeter stainless steel sheet. So the trick is, you see this portion which I've sketched here with a pencil resembles the bore, right? So this hook hanger is fixed with 2 screws, one here, one there, so they pass by the internal bore. Screws are as long as this, about like this, so they should hold up. The whole hook hanger is mounted on a plain surface. For this purpose I've cut a groove inside of the into the belly of this round lure blank to achieve a plain surface for the hook hanger. The internal bore reaches up to here, so you see this is the distance you still get away from the bore, so everything is okay. To close the whole lengthwise bore, I've turned down these plugs, wooden plugs on my left. So this one is for the rear. You can see the plug length, it reaches down to here, this place. You see, they sit very snug and tight, so the plug reaches to here. This later, after gluing it in and after the glue would have cured, I'll just cut it off and sand it flush, then drill a hole, and the screw eye would point upward this way. I drilled a pilot hole free-handed with my Dremel, so it will reach from the center upward. Same thing for the front. There's a shorter plug here, see, right like this. Push it in, glue it, of course fill the balls inside before, so the plug reaches down to here, and the later the lip will be assembled, glued in, and the screw eye will also go from about little below the center and point down to the belly, right? And no straw necessary on this construction, because I will just glue in one closure plug, let it cure, then fill in the balls. These are 12 balls. I filled in In the first prototype I've used 8 balls. I might reduce them to 10 balls, but I want to use more to see how they work and whether they would work at all. I found this design easier to work down than the first one, probably because this cutting the groove is a bit elaborate, and also making the flat wood piece to be glued in here. Here everything is round, and working on the lathe is quicker. Also turning down these plugs, it's just a matter of minutes, no problem. I've countersunk the entrance of the bores here to get a bit more surface for gluing, and they fit real snug. See, I can shake it, they won't come off, just loosen a bit, you see, and with the glue later in the end it will hold. Well, that's the latest idea I came up with. Gonna finish them and prime them, and after priming I give them the bathtub swim just for first try. Probably I would still have to put in belly weights. As I said before, compared to my first prototype here, I find this one easier to work down. Okay, the wire form of stainless steel is a bit elaborate to do because stainless steel is pretty tough. If I would do it off 1mm brass sheet, it would come in minutes as well. It's looking a bit ugly this way, but it fully serves the purpose, I suppose. Well, and if these two should work out to my satisfaction, I'm also planning on doing this shift weight assembly on lures like this. This is also lathe turned, only the nose portion I've cut out of symmetry for pointed nose, but should be possible to use the features of the other two lures, the special belly hook hanger and so, and make weights inside, shifting weights inside as well. You know, this is just another one. Here's another style with the lip and the slot on the belly, so I guess I can do this weight shifting affair on such lures as well. There's still plenty room to experiment. So tomorrow I'll glue these things in and proceed. Hopefully I can get them in the bathtub by next week somewhere, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, something like that, when all the paint and glue is dry, and give them the first swim. Well, that was it. Okay, thanks for watching, folks. Goodbye.